Prophets in Islam series. 25 Prophets, one message, one God. Number 13. Ayyub alayhi salam. Name: Ayyub alayhi salam. Birth and lineage: full name: Ayyub ibn Amwas ibn Tarikh, descendant of Prophet Ishaq alayhi salam, son of Ibrahim alayhi salam. Lived in the region of Hauran, Greater Syria. Wealth and blessings before trial. Blessed with immense wealth, land, livestock, and servants. Had a large family, multiple children, and righteous wife, known for generosity and worship. His prophethood. Sent to his people to teach Tawheed and righteousness. Called people to patience, gratitude, and trust in Allah. The great test begins. Lost his wealth, family, and health one after another. Afflicted with a severe skin disease for years. Indeed, we found him patient. What an excellent servant. Patience in suffering. Never complained, continued worship and zikr. Only his wife remained with him, caring for him. And remember our servant Ayyub when he called to his Lord. His dua to Allah. After years of trial, he humbly asked for relief. Indeed, adversity has touched me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful. The divine response. Allah instructed him to strike the ground with his foot. A spring burst forth, cured his illness when he bathed in it. Strike the ground with your foot. This is a cool bath and drink. Restoration of blessings. Allah restored his health, family, and doubled his wealth, and we restored his family to him and the like thereof with them. His wife and a loyalty, a symbol of devotion and faith, stood by Ayyub alayhi salam during every hardship. No name mentioned in Quran but honored in Islamic tradition. His children and legacy. Some narrations say he had many children after recovery. His story remains a model of patience in Islam. What an excellent servant. Indeed, he was often returning to Allah. Death. Lived a long life and died peacefully after fulfilling his mission. Grave. Some traditions mention his grave in Haran, modern-day Syria or Jordan, but no confirmed site. Mentions in the Quran. Mentioned in 4 places by name. In Surah An-Nisa, Surah Al-An'am, Surah Al-Anbiya, and Surah Sad. Key qualities. Ṣabr, Tawakkul, gratitude after hardship, compassionate and humble servant. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and Hadith only. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more Prophet facts.